What's up, everybody? Zeke in the kitchen, about to make me a little dessert. I got a whole bunch of blueberries, extra blueberries. I don't want them to go bad. So I'm about to make some lemon blueberry muffins, which is one of my favorite muffins. And that way, in the morning time, I can have them for breakfast. So look, in my bowl right here, I'm using Swan's Down cake flour, one of the best cake flours. So in here, I have 2 cups of Swan's Down cake flour. I got a half a teaspoon of salt. I have 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Yeah, baking powder. That's what I put in there. And I have the lemon zest of 1 lemon. So let me incorporate all of that. And Zeke will be right back. Okay, got all that stirred up. I can put that to the side. Now right here, I have 1 stick of softened butter. And to that 1 stick of softened butter, I'm going to put 1 cup. 1 cup of white sugar. And I am going to, where my mix at? Over here. I'm going to mix this together. Right, to this sugar and butter, let's add 2 large eggs. Egg number 1. No shells, y'all. And let's do egg number 2. Let me get enthused. I'm sounding all dead on this video. Y'all know I be full of life. All right, egg number 2. Let's do this. All right, let's add in 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let's see here. That's my teaspoon. Oh, that's that's a little over a teaspoon. We'll say a teaspoon and a half of vanilla extract. I over poured. It don't matter. It's still gonna turn out good. I add in my 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let's mix that in. Let's scrape our sides down. All right, now I'm about to add 1 cup of sour cream. Put that sour cream in there. That's gonna have that. That's gonna have our muffins real moist. All right. So that's 1 cup of sour cream. After we put that sour cream in, let's put the juice of 1 lemon. That 1 lemon that we had zest in our flour, let's put the juice in there. All right. All right, that's it for our wet. Now let's add our dry to our wet. I'm just gonna put a little bit at a time. Let me put about that much. Put about that much. So I'm gonna put about 1 cup. Add a little more. Oh well, add all of it. Put it on lower speed because I don't want to overbeat. All right, y'all, that's it for your batter. Now to put the blueberries in. You take your blueberries and you put a little flour. You dust them in flour, and that's because blueberries are very heavy, and these are some big ones. So you don't want them to float to the bottom of your batter. So you dust some flour on them, and you just put them in your batter right here, and you're going to get your spatula, and you're gonna just fold them in. Fold them in the batter, cause you don't want to bust them up. So you just fold your blueberries in. I got my oven set at 350. I'm trying to decide, do I want to put these in just in the muffin pans and spray my muffin pans, or do I want to put them in cupcake liners? I'll let y'all know in a few minutes and tell you how long to bake these babies. They're gonna be yummy, and just a good breakfast. You can have this. You can have this with a cup of coffee or with a glass of milk in the morning for breakfast, like what I'm going to do. And you get all your antioxidants in these berries. All right, y'all. Let's spray our muffin pan. Spray each one of these babies, because you don't want them to stick. I'm not using cupcake liners. Like I said, I got my oven preheated at 350. I got my ice cream scoop, and we're gonna put a scoop in each one of these. Hope I don't overfill them. We'll find out. I'm just finding the hole. Oh, I'll put my finger down. I'm just finding the hole and putting them in. All right. Here they go. All right, y'all. I got them all in there. About to put them in the oven for about 30 minutes, and we're going to see what the result's going to be like. All right. Be right back. All right, y'all. There's my timer. They have been in for 30 minutes. And I'm going to bring them out of the oven. All right. Let me see where I'm at. All right, there we go. They've been in 30 minutes, y'all. Let me go close my oven. All right, y'all, while they're still hot, we're gonna put some butter on them. Let me butter these babies up. Put a little butter on each one. I would have had melted butter, but I didn't have a chance to melt it. So, put some on each one. They smell delicious. What they look like, y'all? Do they look good? Y'all tell me. All right. And this the finale, y'all. There go my lemon blueberry muffins. I got them pretty on the plate for y'all. At least my blind ass think I do. All right, let's taste one. All right, y'all. Let's taste this lemon blueberry muffin. Here it go. Look how moist and tender, y'all. This is my favorite muffin. And cheers, I got some milk. Now I have breakfast in the morning. I made this once before in a loaf, but this time, All right, y'all. This don't make no sense. Y'all see me make it. Look, I'm out in the skies today. Out in the skies. Go make you some. Bye.